Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how artificial intelligence, AI, has become a key ally in strategic planning for companies. We look at a representation of the AI-driven strategic planning cycle, which enables organizations to analyze data in real time, anticipate trends, and make informed decisions. We will look at specific examples of companies such as Procter & Gamble, Amazon, Allianz, Netflix, and Tesla, which have used AI to improve their competitiveness and adapt to a changing market environment. If you want to learn how these companies have transformed their strategies and how you can apply these insights to your business, stay until the end of the video. Artificial intelligence enables companies to optimize their logistics operations, anticipating demand and adjusting production. The case of Procter & Gamble, which has integrated predictive analytics algorithms to manage its global supply chain, is shown. Thanks to AI, P&G can anticipate changes in demand, reduce warehousing costs by 15%, and respond quickly to market fluctuations. Amazon, meanwhile, uses AI to predict which products will be most in demand and adjust inventory placement in its distribution centers. This optimization has reduced delivery times and improved customer satisfaction, reinforcing Amazon's position as a leader in e-commerce. AI has also revolutionized risk management, enabling companies to anticipate problems and prepare for adverse economic scenarios. It illustrates the case of Allianz, which has implemented AI to analyze historical data and project future risks, improving the accuracy of its risk models by 25%. This enables Allianz to offer more competitive insurance premiums and adjust its capital reserves efficiently. HSBC has adopted AI-based simulation models to assess the impact of different economic scenarios, such as recessions or changes in monetary policies. This simulation capability has improved the profitability of its investments and enabled more robust financial planning. The ability to analyze consumer data in real time allows companies to innovate and personalize their offerings. The case of Netflix, which uses AI to predict what type of content will be successful, stands out. By analyzing viewing habits, Netflix decides which series and movies to invest in, adapting its offerings to the preferences of its audience and maintaining its leadership in the streaming industry. Coca-Cola, on the other hand, employs AI to analyze sales data and consumer preferences, adjusting its marketing strategies and developing new beverages that adapt to changing market tastes. This has enabled Coca-Cola to launch products with greater agility and success, improving customer satisfaction. AI allows companies to adjust their strategies dynamically based on real-time data. The case of Unilever, which uses AI to optimize its digital marketing campaigns, is shown. By analyzing the performance of campaigns on different platforms, Unilever adjusts its messages and segments the audience to maximize impact, increasing ROI by 20%. Tesla has implemented machine learning algorithms to automatically adjust the prices of its vehicles based on demand and market conditions. In addition, it uses AI to adjust production in its factories, adapting to market fluctuations and maintaining a balance between supply and demand. We see a summary of how AI has transformed strategic planning in different sectors, enabling companies to anticipate market changes, innovate their products, and adjust their operations in real time. The key to success lies in integrating AI into strategic decision-making, aligning technology solutions with business objectives. If you want to implement AI in your organization to improve your strategic planning capabilities and adapt to a dynamic market environment, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we can develop a strategy that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to transform your business. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.